This video is occasionally loud, so please keep a lookout for the speaker icon to turn your volume down. As some of you guys may know, I'm a big prankster and I love horn pranks specifically. But today, all of our pranks are going wireless. Check it out.
That is so badass.
So there's a couple different things that make me think that this is the best prank on the planet. The first is, it's wireless. So you're able to control this from 150 feet away, which is awesome. The second is it's 12 volt, so I can run it off of this guy, which is even more convenient. But the third is these are actually 20 amp relays. So you're able to hook this up to some pretty hardcore stuff and it's actually able to power them through the battery. Really great setup. The basic setup, you have 4 buttons here obviously for 4 different relays. So this is the power in, but this is just for the wireless controller, so you still have to get a hot to each one of the A sides of the relays. And then the B side is the power out for each individual accessory that you're powering. Usually you don't need 4, usually it's really just for one prank, but it's cool that you have all these options. You're able to power different things all at the same time.
They don't have to create one and then they double work, you know.
There's actually something I wanted to run by you, Eric. I wanted to run by you, Eric.
What's up? Perfect.
You know, I've been thinking a lot lately. If Eric is so bothered by that horn, how bothered is he going to be by that horn? Yeah, this is going to be good. If you're following my claw machine build, my progress is very slow because I'm back at work right now, so I could really only work on it 1 day a week. But the progress that we are having is pretty good. So just stay tuned and you'll be seeing a new video pretty soon.